aboard, everyone. We are going to do a full day today of grass strip flying. I've got 10 grass strips lined up. Some will be full stops. I'd like them all to be full stop and departures, but if one of them seems maybe a bit too short or the condition doesn't look good, we may do a touch and go. But our first stop is coming up, and that is going to be Boylan State Island Pond Airport. Identifier 5B1. 2,600 feet, grass strip, elevation approximately 1,200 feet. It's 1194, but that's our first stop, and at this point I'm going to do a full stop landing so that way I can get out and put the external GoPro on the aircraft. I just didn't want to waste all that battery from taking off at my base airport all the way over here. So we are now entering pattern altitude, and it's about time to make our final call here before entering the left downwind. Boylan State Island Pond traffic, Cessna 704 Echo Victor. On the left downwind for full stop landing, runway 32, Boylan State. Of all these grass strips I'm going to today, I've only been to two of them before. So lots of new experiences, trying to test some of my piloting skills, and I just think grass strip flying is fun. So here we go, we're setting up, we have carb heat. We're gonna go 10 degrees of flaps, mixture rich. And pattern altitude, so we're gonna bring it up to 1700 RPM. And establish our descent. We have a major crosswind coming out of the southwest. Yeah, very bumpy. Getting lots of lift in the updrafts. Boylan State traffic, 704 Echo Victor, turning left base, runway 32 Boylan. And when we turn final here, we're gonna have a heck of a headwind, I think. About a kind of a quartering headwind, crosswind. That should give us nice air speed and low ground speed for final approach. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect. And Boylan State traffic, 704 Echo Victor on final 432, full stop landing, Boylan State. Nice wide grass strip here. Oh, I'm already at idle. Pulled to idle a while ago. I'm just getting a lot of lift. Some slight chop here. Back pressure, keep that nose as light as I can. That went pretty well. Just gonna pull off over here so I can hop out. I'm gonna check my oil and put the external GoPro on the wing so I can capture a lot more without wasting as much battery. And Boylan State traffic 4 Echo Victor is clear for the runway.